Hello, Máté. Welcome on our interview with IDEA StatiCa.
Thank you very much for the invitation, and it's a pleasure to introduce myself and my company.
Yeah, can you shortly introduce yourself and Sweco?
My name is Mate Szabolcsi. I'm originally from Hungary, but I'm working as an engineering specialist with Sweco Norway. Sweco is an international company, can be found in several countries in Europe, mainly in the Scandinavian lands, but you also can be found us in Germany, UK, or Central Europe.
Yeah, actually, Sweco is one of our biggest customers, so I'm very happy to have you today with us.
Yeah, we are quite big. It's 21,000 engineers, architecture, and other specialists. And we have several divisions, public transport, water, energy, and building, of course, which is my main interest part.
And how long have you been working for Sweco?
For Sweco, I started not that long time ago, 1.5 years ago, but previously I was working in the Norwegian market in the last 13, 14 years.
Mm-hmm. And how long have you been using IDEA StatiCa?
I knew IDEA StatiCa a long time back, but 5 years ago I started to use in my daily practice because IDEA StatiCa became so advanced, especially on geometry modeling and exporting from or importing from different beams of like Tekla Structures, that it makes really easy the daily life of one engineer.
And for what kind of projects are you using IDEA StatiCa for?
We are using, for sure, several different projects, but what I can mention, I'm mainly using on steel structures. This is a really handy tool, and I'm using daily IDEA StatiCa when we have a detailed project, both a truss or a column verification or connection verification. But I'm also really curious about the new feature of IDEA StatiCa, which is the concrete pie cap module, and where we can also check the concrete footing reinforcement, because that we are also using, or that kind of design we have very often here in Norway, and that would be also a big help in our daily work.
Are you using also some beam links with other softwares?
Oh yes, that makes a really handy tool, the IDEA StatiCa, because it speeds up the design process so much that I cannot live without the IDEA StatiCa. So both it's a really smooth export directly towards IDEA StatiCa from Tekla, which makes really easy to put the geometry together. And right now with the other beam links against the FEM softwares, which makes a huge help on daily practice, because I'm able to import the loads on the predefined connections, and this workflow, it's really efficient.
And except for these beam links, what other features do you like about IDEA StatiCa?
I could mention that why I'm happy additionally with the IDEA StatiCa, because it's not just only the verification, but it's also provided a very good documentation, which is easy to follow. And it's quite a quick tool on daily practice. And as mentioned, that right now there is not that big difference in complex structures or complex connections, or if I compare with the simple connections, because it's not like in the old days, quite short term, you can fix and verify quite complex connections, where we used lots of time in the past.
Would you recommend these softwares to other engineers or your colleagues?
I could recommend the IDEA StatiCa. I don't know other software which can compare with IDEA StatiCa. I'm also happy with the IDEA StatiCa services like Campus, where the junior can understand how the software is working and make sure that people knows what they are doing during the calculations. It's a quite nice free course what you are providing on IDEA StatiCa Campus.
Thank you very much for your insights, and good luck with your future projects.
Thank you very much.